share some heartfelt music with everyone. So thanks for the reception. See? Or you can find me on social media, I-T Rockaz. Alright? Love. Let's go. So this is a message to everyone out there, just a kind reminder to care for yourself, see, because you can't wait until it's too late, until we choose to do the right thing, see. How can you love someone if you don't love you truly? I understand that a big heart moves clueless. You've been living by giving your last best and left yourself shoeless. Can't be useful when you're useless. So it's time now to put yourself first. Put yourself first. Please don't wait till it's too late. It takes longer the longer you wait. Put yourself first. Put yourself first. Please put yourself first. Know me now. Say you feel selfish, yes, if a situation arise and you can just help it. And all the workaholics out there like me, no rest, no food, you're no wealthy. Can't have money and unhealthy, because our health make you wealthy. Take heed before you ball, Father help me. It's time now to put yourself first. Put yourself first. Don't wait till it's too late. It takes longer the longer you wait. Put yourself yeah. Please put yourself first to the bridge. If you think when you're gone you can help, then you're know you're kind, but you can't help when you're dead. I've sung all that could be said, so put yourself first. Put yourself first. Please don't wait till it's too late. It takes longer the longer you wait. Put yourself, F-I-R-S-T, put yourself. God bless thee, I'm begging you. Please put yourself, function upon the beat if you feel it now. Yeah man, I'm I-T Rockaz and the social media handles everywhere you can check me out. This song is entitled Put Yourself First. My group is Rockaz Elements. Yeah man, thanks for being with me. Kingston Market, pick up yourself, love the energy, see? Yes I. First, I beg you put yourself first. See. Respect, love. On my way. Alright, so this one is for everyone who has a journey, been on a journey, still on your journey, you know. Some motivation shared from my heart to you. See? Let's go. You want to stay motivated regardless of what you're going through. And sing with me, on my way. Ready? Oh yes, I'm on my way. I won't ever stop. I'm on my way up to the top. My way up to the top. Make people say what I want to say, cause all they make for chat. But I'm on my way up to the top. Me sow my seed, so me do me. Yeah, this a feel. People will have a dream, yeah, you might start smart. No make them tell you you can't make it at all. Some criticize you if you start with a smart style, but when they make it out of your phone, them a call. All cars didn't get tall. More time me mention me, I come from a whip one bar. Rise couple times, come in the sides and me now fall. Know we a born star, we blessed. Oh yes, I'm on my way. I won't ever stop. I'm on my way up to the top. My way, hey, Kingston Market, make people say what they want to say. Cause how they flex the chat, but I'm on my way up to the top. Me sow my seeds, so me do. Yeah, me know it's hard. If you face life like me, I feel make your dark days seem bright, my G. Them not gonna see you as a brand until you like Nike. So look, negative in the eye and say hi, white breed. Them lock the gate and me just find my key. Cause you can't stop the greater that I might be. Me just pay serious attention to a signs might be. Me never turn back from the time I leave. Oh yes, I'm on, man. Let's go. I won't ever sing with me on my way. I'm on my way up to the make people say what I want to say. Mountain make the chat, I'm on my way up to the top. To my seats, so me do the crap. I'm on my. Thank you, Kingston Market. You're showing your pleasure. Thanks for the reception. Love you guys.
All right, let's hear it for IT Rockaz. IT, don't leave yet. Tell us where to find you on socials.
Again, it's -T Rockaz on all social media handles, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Yeah, man, thanks again for the love, alright?
You want to hear one more? Yeah. Say one more. All right, we're gonna let him do one.
Blessing, love again. So this song is entitled Thankful. My album will be coming soon, so be sure to check it out, alright? Yeah, can you give me just a little bit of volume, please? I will always be thankful. I don't complain. One good post and another one can pull, yeah, yeah. I say no complaining, cause one door closed and another one. Me thankful, me thankful. Yeah, first thing, me have be thankful for life for when me searching and can't find. Cause the worst thing is to find yourself burdened with all those burdens when I just time. Cause in time Jaja will fix it for me. Your struggle is your testimony. Now make the bad days make you forget the good and curse. Cause life would have been worse. So I will always be thankful. I not complain. One door closed and another one can pull. Hey, I say be thankful, no complaining. One door closed, then another one. Me say another one. But I know, enough time me see people make pressure, make them give up on Jaja. But that would never be me. Man, I work for putting the work, cause all I man's came from pressure. And I won't block my own destiny. Thankful always. I got perfect, but that's so urgent. Life's hard, but through the hardest of times, I promise you that I will. Another one can pull. again. And Age Rockaz again on all social media handles. I-T Rockaz. Alright, thanks for the love. Kingston Night Market.
Thank you. And we say give thanks. So thank you so much for joining us here at Kingston Night Market. Remember, it's I-T Rockaz on all social media platforms. So you can DM or link in before you leave for bookings. Yeah. So we can make some noise for him to come out. So make some noise for David Slur. Yeah.
Greetings, Kingston Night Market, yeah? Greet in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I. Greetings to His Royal Omega Empress Menenai. Yeah? Give thanks to all of the elders, all of the veteran artists them, and the queen them. Fred Locke's father, I don't know, represent every time. Kingston Night Market. Yeah, we greet the item from Trenchtown and we give thanks for the opportunity, yeah? So it's a musical expression. Ready? Sataso. Yes, I made it. We all are the herbalists them who use it recreational or otherwise, eh? Alright then, get up and running. Early Saturday juggling, sing praises to the most high. Come get the pot of bubbling chalice, load and almost. This tell the fire keep a burning. I need another touchy louder. I saw you, go down my Richie, say Rasta, it's sticky them. Come in and go with everything, I will give thanks to the sacraments, yeah, I will give thanks to the herb. No abusing of the herbs, yeah. Use it discretionally, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Night Market says, get up and running. Early Saturday juggling, sing praises to the most high. Come get the pot of bubbling chalice, throw down almost empty, still the fire keep it. I need another coachy louder. I saw me, go down and Richie, say Rasta, it's sticky then. Go down and go with everything, Babylon, make it so me make a little cry now. Come we go out west, go make a party, hey. So me go gas and start up lassie, but not a no jalopy. So the best them can't stop it. Come in with the quality, down in the traffic. The dirty got to have it. I don't attend to go. Ease again and come again. Give thanks to Kingston Night Market. I am David Slur. I know Age Rockaz, brother, them day have showcase, yeah? It's a heart I love every time, you know. Clean reggae music. Oh, yeah. Get up and running. Early Saturday juggling. Sing praises to the most high. Come get the pot of bubbling. Chalice throw down almost empty. Sing the fire, keep a burning. We need another country louder. I saw me, go to my Richie, say Rasta, it's sticky then. Go down and go with everything, Babylon, make it so me make a look cry now. Come we go always go make a party, yo. Hey, so we go gas and start up lassie, but not a no jalopy. So the pets them can't stop me, we coming with the quality. Darling the traffic, get here we got to have it. I don't want to send it easy, we go rally. Them and go get a car full of food, like a supermarket trolley. Get down a Makati Square, we have to check the granny. Come a little boy, I come a country we ever. With the greens and the scent of the breeze, yeah. But I know so Richie nearly drop us in. Just because you love the scent of the greens. Oh, that Richie beg you please, please. Come make me stop and make me get a stick of quality. On the journey, I say we are down in the country. By the wheels be turning, up in the highest set of grades. I'm going up in our bread, we are on a journey. I say we are down in the country, down in the country. Wheels be turning. So on the journey we're going again, make another stop, see? Listen, go make a stop down at the Natina, the square down at Makati. Buy 2 juice and buy 2 food, a breadfruit and happy ready, we ready, you know. It's a little more than a thing. The herb man man, so we make it very snappy. Make her stop down on me grandmammy. She said, come here, oi, the David. Look how you think of weed and always go like you. Cousin them the round the back, you know me cannot take the nagging. If me little younger, them get her. Or the Richie said the herbs gonna call. Or Richie, where you there? From morning you tell me say you a pick up to that. Tell him say we not the bar. Just settle down the spot. Coming to the state corner. Or Richie start speed. Him no bother one sleep. Got business that pick one back. I we have to reach. And long a Richie gate. Them a pack up and a sleep. Now finally pulling up Kingston Night Market. On a journey. I say we ain't down in the country. Give me next track, then Santa Soul. If I love the vibes, me and say, Irene. That is it. In come the man called Jo Mersa from the new Age Rockaz again. Yes, yeah. Line up the next mic for me artist, please. Alright then. I give thanks for life, yeah, yeah. For looking in your bright skies, oh, yeah. New Age Rockaz, say sunshine all day long. Oh, just skies so bright. I'm stepping out with a smile. I'm fresher than cake, so
yeah, give thanks and praises, yeah. That's the far away.
I'll be inside, oh, yeah.
Giant in the man,
Kingston Night Market, one time again, say I give thanks for life, yeah, yeah. I look in your bright skies, yeah. How we see sunshine all day long. Oh, just skies are bright. Stepping down with a smile. I'm fresher than cake, so nobody stand. Give thanks up and I work hard for my payroll. Nobody shop a price, yeah. I deserve what is mine. Say prayers never fail out. Won't go ask my money, yeah. See y'all know them still a fight, yeah. It's a brand new day, it's a brand new start. Yeah, we get yesterday. Now today we are part. Go get your jeeps, make sure you get your goals. Spread up your bed early, no left it down. Well, it's a brand new day, a brand new start. Yeah, we bet yesterday. Now today we are part. Go get your jeans, make sure you get your gloves. Go get your jeans and go get your own. Yeah, I said I woke up this morning feeling just sunshine on my
sunshine on my face.
He praised me, we not thank him for another day. Your blessings come early in the morning. So give me no worries, give me joy.
Joy in the morning, after the darkest night. Start them faith, can't bring light. Been through storm, now a clear blue skies. Elevation, done for the rise. I've been waiting so patiently. God is to set me free. To all my troubles, you cover me. Now I'm a Joan in a poverty. Because now take a pass, go work for my flash. God to reward, break down everyone. They up on a call, talking to me like them, just a fight for your cause. Can't cool my temper, be a last sheep, you to agenda. Things from my heart get bruised and tender. Food alone, my mix up in a blender. Some again strength.
I said I woke up this morning feeling just sunshine on my
sunshine on my face.
He prays to King and thank him for another day. Your blessings come early in the morning. Please don't give me no worries, give me joy. Jah got me on the journey when we started. Never let the enemies in my destroy. Oh, Jah,
I saw we look good.
Just sun is rise.
Just sun keep shining.
Oh, Kingston Night Market, I love you chanting. I say I love you chanting.
Yeah, more love, you know. Yes, sir, give thanks for brother Rastafari love, see?
Income man car one day, man, touching extra same time. Cause it's a heavy load of music.
Oh, yeah, music.
Age Rockaz, new generation. Big up Rockside, big up Makeda, Sharp, Supernova, Kingston Night Market. Bang, 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 bang. Say empty. This world not a little light. Oh, got to try us right. Said bring up every lion, but you tell the youths to breathe. Operate the system change and then your mind will set you free. Kingston Night Market. Education shall break our chains. I Selassie, I bust the sense. Yes. Every Rasta youth. Yeah? Say empty this world, not a little light. Oh, God to shine my heart, yes, to do what's right. Oh, carry in this torch from a little light. The hearts of the youth gonna make us try. Oh, pick up every lion where you tell the youths to breathe. Oh, break the system chains and then your mind will set you free. Protect your family, come first, boy, you have to everything again. Oh, health is so important, search this from a copy. Real gorilla, stop our feet. Kingston Night Market, the tea. Martin Luther might not happy to us. So we live in the dream. Remember back, say one of the love we have, but you touch one of them heart. So pick up every microphone, giant with the fast. Put your works and the ends up for what we go through. And I beg you what you do now, stay in the crew. The hands of the wicked never cease. Oh, if we go ease up, I do your works and the ends up for what we go through. Yeah, beg you what you do now, stay in the crew now.
African Liberation Day. On the chop on the feet, lyrics I keep up on top of the beat. Nobody feel a city where them a preach. Give me see a city where I believe. Plenty let the young perfect the gap between. Centralize and organize and make we dash away. Marcus Messiah, God be set in me. Luck and knowledge make the poor like you are free. Queen and singer from the yard and from poor. Stand against the Portuguese. She never run like a thief. The buckler on the wall, and the legs on the sit on the wall. Still a singing in and a follower. Keep it the brutes, the chalawa. Leaping out of Babylon, a vampire. Cannot mistake. Babylon and Rastaman are not the same. Highly Selassie teachings in our brain. The carbon still are flowing in our vein. We break every shackles and chains. Put your works and the ends up we watch we go through. And I beg you watch we do now, stay in the crew. So the hands of the wicked never cease. Oh, if we go easy. Put your works and the ends up we watch we go through. And I beg you watch we do now, stay in the crew now. The wicked never cease. Oh, if we go easy. Age Rockaz, David Slur, after again, I'm more warrior again. Next track, standout. Is I. Same time, in command called Jerry. It up again, say a jazz. Kingston Night Market. Love and light each and every time, yeah. Yeah, when you join on me, from me first set a death. When I many come along and then we try change my ways. When the pressures of the system lift me out on my job. Oh, I remain as confident like just see us clear from it. Come on me that it do this all I was like. With all our problems to judge a higher price. So just easy, no arrogance and again. To back and fussing on the bad man, guys. We not play along. I've got no time to stress and mope around. God life is so hard, just on its own. So one it's my smile up with my frown. Cause not about fun, and my life is joy. And joy, say joy, since my life is joy. It's joy, and joy, joy, and my life is joy. Oh, watch me now, right now me glad. Me full of joy like all woman. Where I meet them friend. Me full of empty pocket, but me still a make it shot. No Sunday dinner, no day, but me try to with me gas. Written there with the chat. Just pass the microphone, make me chop it up and bring it up again. Then me pass the give David, them mash it up my friend. Call it party idol with and tell them go away with them friend. That me tell you fi mash it up and we do it again.
No time to stress and life is so hard, so hard, yeah. Oh, I mix my style up with my phone. My life is joy, Rasta's is joy. Live up like that. Oh, live it up, no give it up, yeah. Oh, live it up, stand up, live it up, no give it up, yeah. Oh, live it up, no give it up, oh, no live it up, no give it up, Brother Jerry, man,
lion.
Kingston Night Market, give thanks again. I am David Slur, the new Age Rockaz, yeah. Want to leave it one more. I don't know John here. Touch it again then. I want to tell one of them say, Jai, go home safe tonight, yeah. Come have to wake up tomorrow. That you them flip back in the future. Yes, peace and love to everyone. Alright then, one of a kind, say a Buddha never done a kind. We say a man stand. Say I is a boy. And this New Age Rockaz from Kingston 1st Street to 10th Street. Alright, one of a kind, say a Buddha never done a kind. Me say a man can never just judge a kind. Rasta you see me so you know I still a spiritual one, so we never left behind. So when you make a climb up and you better tie up, Jaja send up wind up and some man will style you. Well then you rise up, nothing to smile up. Demons will like you. That's how we say what? Yeah, say I will die. Oh yeah, I don't know if it's safe here. Don't talk to them over there. Chosen, we're gonna tell them what's the sin, they got to church them. Reading out the scroll of prophecy and folding. Giving out praise to the king. Aye. Well, my name is Aya. They rule my every day. Protector of the force of every day. But when the system dead, I'm a another man. I put a fire upon the beast. Blessing, she don't see the degree. I'm reading out the algorithm. I'm the radio. I know for nothing, just a church. Them searching with them talk back on them, got you with them. I lost the war, I always said, most I love up on them. We nation, the life for the better. Nation, everything up is better. Sorry for calling at this. Leave them one on the better. Night Market, stay alive. A bongo naya. A Jackie Marshall, a bonfire. This is a Elijah. No dirty lighter. No Rasta. If thanks again, I am David Slur. Each and every one, yeah, love every time, mighty Kingston Night Market. I have a you is number one.
Awesome. Give it up one more time for David Slur. Yes. Also want to shout out Cyah Sound, who was, of course, our guest selector tonight. So Cyah, big up yourself, thank you. Also want to shout out Javezel, Carbon the Hard One, and Anunnaki, who graced us on stage as well mid-performance. Let me just call back David. David, join me back on stage, please. Can you tell us where to find you on socials and for bookings?
Alright, it's DAHVID SLUR. That's David Slur on Instagram, TikTok, and all of those. That's David Slur.
Alright, so we're gonna let him do one more. So David, take it away. We're gonna let you do one more tonight.
One more, my guy.
Ja. Yes, I'm ready. Challenge of production. Conquering Lion, big up every time. Kingston Night Market. Say, ooh yeah, button my shirt, fix my buckle. And we say, far from where you keep your trouble. And we say, forward stepping now. Oh yeah. No concern about who no want no better men. Them can't wake up sleep, then if it better men. Say man a reap from fruits, so we collect again. Plant the seed to bring down again. Laziness to bad mind, say yeah that's his name. I tell my friend to start working, start condemn. Oh, everything is hard, what we gonna do? Sitting and watching cause problems too. Now, a 2 steps go forward and 3 go back. Fight not yourself, and don't do that. Wisdom over hype, energies a jack. Holy Kingston Night Market, give thanks again, yeah? Each and every time.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was David Slur.